Hi, Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. I just want to share a quick find that I had this week with you and show you something that might A, increase your conversion value on your shop, and B, grow your email list. So I got a mail from an email service provider this week in regards of pop-ups. And obviously a lot of people are using pop-ups. Unfortunately, a lot of people are using them the wrong way, and they split the pop-ups in showing them by segmentation. And that's quite an interesting thing because it's a feature that you can do with Klaviyo out of the box. So what you want to do is you want to show one pop-up, and it should be, for instance, like an exit intent pop-up to first-time visitors of your store. So you will offer them either a 10% discount or whatever you want to do, or enter them into a giveaway. So new visitors to your website will see this or a similar pop-up. Then you might see returning customers. These are people that are already on your list, but probably have not bought from you. So these are sort of prospects. So you might offer them a discount or anything to move them over to become a customer of yours. And then lastly, third segment is that you have returning customers who already bought from you and now are ready basically to buy more from you for a second purchase or whatever. So you want to show them a different pop-up. Now, what you can do, and I think this is quite good because you basically speak to customer at a specific stage in their customer journey, which totally makes sense. Now, what you can do in Klaviyo, now let me go quickly there. Just find the right window. There we go. In Klaviyo, you can do forms. And these forms, for instance, this is like a slide-in form, is a standard feature in Klaviyo. Obviously, you can do that also with Opt-in Monster or other Sleek Note or whatever kind of tool you use. Now, if you're in Klaviyo, obviously you can see where you want to show your pop-up or your slide in, and then you can have your segmentation here. Now, obviously, to show a pop-up to a person that either was on your store and did not buy, or a person who's already a customer, you need to have that segmentation already in your email list, and they need to get a cookie set with their last visit so that the system knows who it is. So with Klaviyo, quite easily, you can set forms, pop-ups, slide-ins, whatever you want to do, to different either lists or to segments, which is exactly what you want to do. Also, you can show it also on certain URLs. So you only want to show it on a cart page, or you don't want to show it on the cart page, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of options in there that will help you to show the right information in the right moment to the right person. And I think doing this with pop-ups is something that is underutilized. I haven't seen that much so far, and it definitely will help you to increase probably your revenue and also maybe your subscriber. Also, and that's I think another very important point, it increases the user experience of your customer on your store. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and chat soon.